welcome back to the channel, Bright Road to Success, where we make learning easy. So today we're going to be rounding or estimating using expanded form, and we're going to round to the nearest 10. Okay? However, we are going to use a 3-digit number. Now, before I begin, go ahead, click the subscribe button, click the bell, and click the like button, and make sure if you have any questions, please put them in the comments. So here we go. Suppose we have the number, let's take 143. And I want to estimate or round this number to the nearest or closest 10. Well, the first thing you do is to write this number in expanded form. And if you don't know how to write this number in expanded form, I will put a video in the comments that will explain to you how to write numbers in expanded form. So here we go. We're going to write the number 143 in expanded form. This would be 100. You have 4 tens, which would be 40. And then you have 3 ones, which would simply be 3. So now we have this number in expanded form, and we're trying again to round the number 143 to the closest 10. That was our first step, to write it in expanded form. Our second step is to now write a vertical line, or draw a vertical line. So here is our vertical line. And I'm going to move I'm going to move 143 over here, okay? Because this is the number that we're trying to find the closest 10 to. So now that we have this number in expanded form, we are going to need to find our floor, and then we're going to need to find our ceiling, and then we're going to need to find our midpoint. So the way we find our floor, okay, is we take a look at the number that we wrote in expanded form and look at the number that has 2 digits, and that would be the 40. So I'm going to go down here to the floor, and I'm going to write the number 40, because that's how many tens we have, but I also have 100, so I must include that. So now I have 140 is my floor, and now I want to know what is my ceiling. So in order to come up with the ceiling, you simply add 10 to 140. So 140 plus 10 is, you guessed it, 150. So that's going to be our ceiling. So now we know that 143 to the nearest 10 is someplace between 140 and 150. But what's really going to help us to figure that out is to figure out what is our midpoint. So we need to know what number is the midpoint between 140 and 150, and that would be, of course, 145. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to plot the number 143 on our vertical number line and see which 10, either 140 or 150, is actually closest to 143. So let's go ahead and start. I like to always start with the floor, and it's 140. So now I need to count up to 143. Well, if this is 140, this would be about 141. This would be about 142. So 143 would be right about there. So again, we ask the question, what number is the closest 10 or nearest 10 to 143? Well, here's 143. So the closest 10 would be 140. All right, so go ahead and practice that. Come back and watch this video as much as you'd like. And also check out, there's some more videos in the comment section that will give you some additional practice on finding the nearest 10 to a 3-digit number. Alrighty, so come back and see us. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the like, and click the bell. And also, if you have any questions, make sure you put those in the comments. So we'll see you next time on Bright Road to Success.